Welcome to this UW Libraries tutorial on strategies for choosing a search tool. In this tutorial, we will cover when and how to use popular search options like Google Scholar, UW Library Search, and various library databases. Google Scholar is a great resource for finding individual academic papers by certain keywords, but not great for looking for journal titles or larger journal subscriptions. Results in Google Scholar will include not only individual articles, but often conference papers, theses and dissertations, academic books, abstracts, technical reports, and much more. Because Google Scholar searches the entire internet for references to scholarly material, it will often return both free and subscription sources, so there may be issues of access when using it for practical purposes. Google Scholar is updated every 6 to 9 months, so coverage may not always be current as well. The second type of search tool that we'll cover is library resources, which are designed to find all types of published scholarly material and are geared toward user access. Like Google Scholar, library resource results may include articles, journals, books, conference papers, theses and dissertations, technical reports, datasets, and much more. Depending on the tool, they may also return free and subscription sources, but subscription costs are typically covered for users by the libraries affiliated with the tool. Library resources are also useful because they allow for more specialized forms of searching, such as by narrowed topic or format. However, they don't include as many web-published resources as you might find in Google Scholar or another search engine, and can have a higher learning curve. They are strongly recommended for college students, faculty, and staff interested in more subject-specific research. There are two main types of resources for discovering materials at the UW libraries. The first is the main library search box, which connects to UW WorldCat, and the second is specific library databases. The UW Library search box is located at the top of the library's homepage. This box represents a one-stop method of searching for resources via the UW libraries, including articles, books, and more. The UW Library search box combines the traditional library's catalog with a partial selection of database content. While it doesn't cover all of our articles and databases, it does cover several, plus ebooks and our physical collections. The library databases are one of our top resources for scholars and students looking for research. We have many types of library databases, and each one is slightly different. The most well-known type is the subject-focused article database. Content for these databases begins with select producers, who are typically entities that produce a print version of a journal or a set of journals. These producers then lease content to large database vendors, such as EBSCO, who provide electronic access to libraries via subscriptions. We will now look at an example of what it's like to get to a specific library's database via the UW Libraries homepage, in this case, the LISA database. To find this database, we begin on the library's homepage, or www.lib.washington.edu. From here, we need to get to the full list of article and research databases, which can be done in two ways. The first is to scroll down to where you see Start Your Research as an option within the gray main bar, where we can see a list of links appear, including articles and research databases. Another option for accessing this link is to scroll down to where it says Quick Links off the library's homepage, where we'll see the same set of links duplicated. Let's click Articles and Research Databases to continue. From here, we're given a choice between looking up the name of a database alphabetically using the tabs at the top, or we can look for the database by this title search, such as if we type in the word library and start to finish this off to find library and information science abstracts. Again, we could find the same database by going to the L's and then browsing until we see the proper title. In this tutorial, we've covered strategies for choosing a search tool, from Google Scholar to the UW Libraries resources. Thanks for watching. If you need any further help, please feel free to ask a librarian.